WeGotGuru welcomes you to our online Western vocal classes that will guide you in being a sound singer.
Thinking I belong there, I figured it made sense, building me a fence, building me a home, thinking I'd be strong there, but I was a fool, playing by the rules.
This way, you improve your voice, range, posture and breath control drastically and meticulously, apart from giving exams, grade-wise and getting certified yourself.
But I'm a creep. I'm a weirdo.
Nurturing the voice and taking care of it is a moral code our vocal tutors abide by.
I don't belong here. I don't care if it hurts.
From operatic to rock, blues and pop, etc., we have 14 seasoned vocal tutors who are certified to teach and mentor you.
You end up exhaling your breath as well as losing your energy. So that screws up the entire song. So never think it. You already have that. You already have the proper pace, but all you have to do is just worry about. So if you're singing a song, you just have to keep one thing in your mind. You just gotta enjoy. So you shouldn't be diverting yourself from it. Work on the mindset, because all you need is a shift in thinking. So not anything other than that. Second step is don't push it or don't stress it. So we end up doing this. Like, just because we are about to sing the higher notes, we end up exerting more pressure on our stomach, which shouldn't be used in singing. You should always use a diaphragm instead. So, and you would have heard a lot about that. So all you have to do is just focus on the diaphragm and keep it in a normal pace. Remember, don't stress it and don't push it, and also don't think it.
at WeGotGuru extend our hands to reach out to all the aspiring singers out there to support and guide you. This provides a structure for the courses and top quality certification process. Do check our school and tutorial channel on YouTube by searching for WeGotGuru. For further inquiries, kindly WhatsApp us at 7829136615 or 97427 56834.